Alright, skip over one here. I like that little intro. Show you what I'm dealing with today. Gonna try to fix. As you can see, this isn't quite latched up anymore, and I'll show you why. See, that's the latch that holds my half, my little half piece on, but as of right now, it's just completely off sheet metal. Just chilling. It's just hanging there. That's annoying. So I'm gonna try to fix that today. If not, I don't know. But it's kind of early in the morning. If I can't fix it, just going back to sleep. Happy 4th of July. Faggots. Alright, about 30 minutes later, that's how we fix that. Bat. Pretty solid now. I'm sure those screws will break instantly as soon as I turn it on. But I'm gonna try to put some deadener over it. Hopefully it helps the shock. Just making up stuff now. Oh yeah. Shit, that might be tighter than stock. I never used to have that before. The two top pieces stretched. Shit, with my first 1 or 2 setups. But now it looks like it's pretty much aligned now. So, XX power for the win. Guy holding his ears for the win. Team Sundown. Jacob Fuller in the building. And boy, y'all ain't ready for this. That's all I'm saying. Just wait. Watch what we got in store next year.